Brody, take a bow. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
নেকলেস না, সুন্দর সুন্দর নেকলেস এখানে।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক আওয়ার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ক্রিস্টাল। আমি পলাশ বলছি ফ্লোরিডা চ্যাম্পা থেকে। আজকে আমরা যাচ্ছি, কোথায় যাচ্ছি শাইন?
আমরা যাচ্ছি ডলফিন ক্রুজে। আমরা দেখবো হচ্ছে ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ ডলফিন। সবাই খুব এক্সাইটেড। আমরা এখন রওনা দিয়ে দিলাম।
আমাদের সঙ্গে থাকুন, আমাদের সঙ্গে থেকে আমাদের এই সেকেন্ড ডে এপিসোডটা এনজয় করুন।
Clearwater International Airport.
এখানে একটা হাইওয়ে বানানো হচ্ছে। কিভাবে হাইওয়ে বানাচ্ছে দেখেন। Close to অনেকগুলো হোটেল।
Like look, you're gonna go up a hill and you're gonna see the ocean.
See the hill?
This is the ocean over here. Just right here. It has a bunch of boats.
bunch of boat দেখা যাচ্ছে।
That's a boat plan.
Belair Causeway.
Boats, people. Who has got this? Masyado lang mo siya.
Yeah, maybe. I think so.
Gulf of Mexico.
At the next light, turn right. He's not showing Mama. He's showing himself.
We're going to see dolphin in 15. No one wants to get out of that. Look, it's orange.
I see the orange. houses.
Full houses.
Reminds me of the New Mexico houses.
Of course they would live by the ocean. Would like beach motels be
এগুলি সব বিচ ভিউ হোটেল
Beach view hotel. Natural সৌন্দর্য না? Natural beauty.
টুরিস্ট এরিয়া তো মানে খুব সুন্দর করে সাজায় গোছায় রাখে, কোনো একদম নিট অ্যান্ড ক্লিন, কোনো ময়লা নাই, কিচ্ছু নাই।
No, I haven't seen one dirt anywhere.
আমরা চলে এসেছি, কাছাকাছি চলে এসেছি।
At the next light, turn right.
Saba, did you see the dolphin picture?
I want to see more cacti.
There's this building right here somewhere.
Oh, look at that dolphin, Saba.
They're right here.
This way. She's being on the phone right now.
Coronado Drive.
Grado.
লেফট বলেছে। কিন্তু আমরা চলে আসছি, আমাদের সঙ্গে থাকুন, চলুন। এই যে আমার 3 মেয়ে দুইটা হাঁটতেছে
Like these. So everybody gets souvenirs. Can we touch them? You can. They're glued in there. Otherwise, people would steal them. We wouldn't have anything in there to show you.
Okay, how much are your prices?
They're $28 for adults and $20 for adults.
Turquoise works for you.
Well, thank you. My nice Florida colors. I love it.
এই তো আমরা এখন টিকিট নিচ্ছি তো টিকিটের মূল্য হচ্ছে অ্যাডাল্টের জন্য $25 আর আমাদের সাবা ফ্রি পেয়েছে আর জয়ী হচ্ছে $20 অ্যাকচুয়ালি অ্যাডাল্ট যারা আমরা 3 জন আমাদের জন্য হয়েছে $25 আর জয়ীর জন্য $20 আর সাবা ফ্রি ইটস এ গুড ডিল তো আমাদের সঙ্গে থাকুন
When you walk like that, আমরা হাঁটছি আমরা 30 মিনিট পরে বোটে উঠবো এখন আমরা হেঁটে হেঁটে দেখছি সবকিছু সুন্দর সুন্দর নেকলেস না সুন্দর সুন্দর নেকলেস এখানে bracelet ring
I like this one.
which one this one
Oh, never mind.
oh my gosh it's stuck up look it's stuck up and Kakashi yeah and look it's about to go how much is this so excited it's a character
Hi guys.
oh how much are these
Well, they're 12 right now because they were 15, but Christmas discount. Those ones, these right here are 5. Yeah, those are 50 cents. These are $2. These are 5 right here. These are basically 3 and 2 right there. So there's more anime themed ones right here too. That has like 6 of them. Yes.
Crowd building techniques. First crowd building technique, I'm gonna need the help of a cute kid. If I get the help of a cute kid, that would be awesome. What's your name, little guy in the black shirt? Show started. I need you to stand right there on the blood stain for the last kid. Face me. You're gonna help us get this show started, Brody. We're gonna see if you can catch a couple things real quick. I'm gonna start with something really easy like this ball. I'm gonna count to 3, toss you the ball. When you catch it, All these people are going to scream for you, folks. This isn't the show. This is going to build a bigger crowd. You're going to make some noise. Those people up on the pier are going to hear you and think we're good. Ready, Brody? Catch the ball. These people scream. If they don't, we'll follow them back to their hotel room and do it again. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Everybody scream. Back. Let's try something a little bit harder, Brody. I'm going to count to 3 and toss you this pin. One more time. When you catch it, these people are going to go nuts. You ready, dude? Right now, this is called a juggling pin. If it hits you, it becomes a juggling club. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Everybody scream again. I picked the right kid. You're doing great. Listen to the joke, dude. Brody, let me just climb up on this stool real quick. Take your time. Hurry up. Face everybody. Yeah, give me 5. Yeah, we don't do that anymore. All right, now, we know the easiest way to get a bigger crowd. One's going to go in front of your face. One's going to go behind your head at the same time. So, Brody, look straight ahead and don't move, because if you move, you'll die. This isn't the show. It's a warm-up. How you doing, dude? You can take the parachute off. You've landed. All right, here we go. Thanks, everybody. Don't move. I love my job. Ready? Ready, Nate? Yeah. Hey, Brody. Face everybody. Don't move, okay? Ready, Nate? Yeah. Hey, Brody. Brody. Face everybody. Don't move, okay? You go to public school, don't you? Hey, face everybody. Don't move. Brody, take a bow.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Now, Brody, this is a round of applause because we didn't hit you. This is going to happen right now, little man. It's for you. How many birds?
Clap one time. When you have 2 steps, I want you guys to clap 2 times, so 1 and so forth. You guys ready?
Didn't sound like it.
You guys ready? Yeah! All right, here we go. 1 step, 1 clap. Okay, together. All together. Keep it going. Louder. Even louder. One more time.
All right, that was step 1, to climb to the top of it while keeping it balanced. Step 2 is a move for support. He's going to drape a foot over that top bar. This is where the whole thing gets a little sketchy. If the foot goes over that bar, make him some noise. Step 3 is going to let go with his hands.
No, I'm not.
If he does it, let him hear it.
That's it.
There you go. Dude, ain't nobody got time for that. Do it for real. Yeah. Now he's up to step 4. Yeah. Front, if it looks like a knife's coming at you, it is. We're not magicians. It's not an illusion.
All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do this trick. I want a nice...
As we said, this isn't the show. It's a warm-up. Most shows, this would be a finale. This is multitasking at its finest. Hundreds of hours of the practice. Louder.
He didn't say faster. It makes noise.
Now the ground. Once he hits the ground, make him some noise.